The new topic which we are going to learn today is the cumulative frequency polygon, which is also known as the ogive. The ogive is drawn by taking the upper class boundaries on the x-axis, and the particular class has the frequency that will be drawn on the y-axis, and then the two axes were connected with each other by the help of a straight line. That's why it is known as the cumulative frequency polygon, because the line is straight. We can also construct it by the curve line. If we make it by the help of the curve line, then it is known as the cumulative frequency curve for that particular less than type class or more than type class. So student, here we have a question. We have a data. The data shows that age is in air, and it is a group data and the particular frequency of each class. So the question is that draw less than and more than cumulative frequency polygon. I've already told you, I've already taught you how to make a less than type and more than type of cumulative frequency distribution, but today I will repeat that. So for constructing the frequency cumulative frequency polygon, first we need to make a table for the less than type and more than type. So in the table, what we will do, we will calculate the class boundary and make a class boundary in that particular table, and then the cumulative frequency distribution on the basis of the less than type, its cumulative frequency, and the more than type and its particular cumulative frequency. Let's see how to make it. So students, for saving the time, I have constructed the table, and I have calculated the class boundary here. You know the class boundary is the sum of the lower class limit of the second class, lower limit of second class to the upper limit of the first class is known as the class boundary. So the class boundary is the difference of the 0.5 from the both class. So I've constructed it. This is the frequency. For the less than type, we will take less than to the upper class limit. So the upper class limit we will take from the class boundary, less than to the upper class limit of the class boundary, like less than 4.5, less than 7.5, less than 16.5. And you all know that the cumulative frequency is falling the frequency into the next class, adding that, then fall the cumulative frequency into the next class, adding that, and so on. So class frequency of the first class is 1, then that 1 will fall here, adding the class the frequency of the same class, 4, then falling here, 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 2, 11 plus 1, 12. Okay. The more than type, more than the lower class limit, more than the lower class limit, and where we can get the class limit from the class boundary, more than 1.5. Now here we are adding the cumulative frequency. Here we are subtracting the cumulative frequency. That 12 will automatically shift here. 12. Now minus the frequency from the cumulative frequency. 11. 11 minus 3. 8. 8 minus 5. 3. 3 minus 2 is equals to 1. Now the both frequencies are equal to each other. So students, for saving the time, I have constructed the plot here. So this is the x-axis. We have the class boundary on the x-axis because this is the dependent variable, and the cumulative frequency on the y-axis because it is the independent variable. Now first construct for the less than type. The first class is less than 4.5 and it has a cumulative frequency of 1. Then 7.5 has the cumulative frequency of 4. Then 10.5 had the cumulative frequency of 9. Thirteen 13.5 has the cumulative frequency of 11. And 16.5 has the cumulative frequency of 12. Now by the help of a straight line, we joined all those points. Now the same we will do for the more than type. Now see, 1.5 has the cumulative frequency of 12. 4.5 has the cumulative frequency of 11. 7.5 has the cumulative frequency of 8. Straight line we will join all those points. So students, here I hope that you have learned something new from that topic. If you have learned something new, then please do like my channel and don't forget to subscribe for more videos related to statistics and probability. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.